How often should you replace your air conditioning and heating system filter? You should replace it every 1 to 3 months, depending on the type of filter you have and how much you use your system. Think of the filter like a tiny screen inside your home's air system that catches dust, pet hair, and other tiny particles before they get blown through your vents. When that filter gets clogged with dirt, your system has to work a lot harder to push air through it, kind of like trying to breathe through a thick blanket. This makes your unit use more energy, which can raise your electric bill without you even realizing why. A basic filter usually needs changing every 1 month, but a thicker, higher quality filter can sometimes last up to 3 months. Here is something most people do not know. The number printed on the filter box, often between 1 and 13, is called the minimum efficiency reporting value, and a higher number does not always mean better for your home. If the number is too high for your specific system, it can actually restrict airflow too much and damage your equipment over time. A good rule of thumb is to check the filter every 30 days by holding it up to a light, and if you cannot see light passing through it clearly, it is time for a new one. One common mistake is assuming that a more expensive filter is always the safest choice, when really the best filter is the one that matches what your specific system was designed to handle, so check your owner's manual first. Another mistake people make is forgetting to check the filter at all until they notice weak airflow or a musty smell, so setting a reminder on your phone every 30 days can save you from a bigger repair bill later. A lot of homeowners also do not realize that having pets, allergies, or living in a dusty area means you might need to change your filter twice as often as someone without those factors, so pay attention to your own home situation instead of just following a general schedule. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.